to another video. So today's video is the first episode of my fashion diaries. So if you guys want to know how I got together this pretty shirt here, along with these blue leggings, along with these sneakers, paired up with this pretty ass bag, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things right now. So as you can see, I'm rocking my Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Now this is the first episode. Like I said, each video will get better than the last video. Well, each video will get better than this video, like as I progress. So as you can see, I'm rocking my cherry red Tommy Hilfiger shirt. You know, honey, you never could go wrong with Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger is a wonderful brand. Like, I own so many shirts with Tommy Hilfiger, blue, red, pink. I have a lot of Tommy Hilfiger shirts. So this is one shirt that I recently got maybe like a month ago, and it's this pretty red shirt, rolls out and all, honey. And you know, it's just a regular plain tee. So what I did was, this is kind of like my Memorial Day after, how would I say, this is my after Memorial Day look, okay? We got a little red, we got a little white, and we got a little blue up in here, okay? And as you can see, my little red bag that I purchased from Rainbows. Now, the reason why I love this bag, what stood out to me the most was the purse. What was the bow? Sorry. The bow is what stood out to me the most, only because it was so attracting. Like, when I first walked in the store, the bag was like this, and this bag roughly cost me like $25. Like I said, you don't have to wear expensive stuff to be trendy. You know what I'm saying? You pick you up a nice affordable bag, whatever's in your budget, honey. Don't try to show off for other people. Now me, I just love Tommy Hilfiger, so I'm gonna always rock me some Tommy Hilfiger. So this is, I bought this from Burlington. This is a size 3X, I believe. And my earring just came out. This is a size 3X, right? So what I did was, I paired it up. Since we're doing Tommy Hilfiger and Rainbows, I purchased this bag from Rainbows, right? So I'm also styling these blue, I'm not sure if it's transparent on screen, these blue stretchies, right? That I paid maybe like $7.99 for. Y'all, listen, you can throw anything together and look cute. Now, this is my first video. Now, I threw my little old girl on, because you know my natural hair wasn't done right now. So I threw old girl on. You know, I hope she's transparent on screen. I hope she's looking good on screen. So yeah, basically, Memorial Day weekend, we all can agree, was a bust. This weekend was crazy, only because it was fucking raining the whole weekend. So it wasn't really much you can do. So guess what? This weekend, I'm popping out with my little Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Let me show you angles. Got the little butt in the back. You know. Oh, right. Hey, 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 hey. Go, go. You know, got a little room, the little wiggle room. But yeah, so you know what? Let me just take off one of the shoes so I can show you guys. So I'm also rocking. These were so cute. These was like $10. Come on. You cannot beat these for $10. It was these all white shoes from Rainbows, right? I'm sorry if it's not transparent. I've never wore them. They kind of got like this pride looking rainbow color at the bottom. So basically, I paired these up with my Tommy Hilfiger shirt, with my little red purse, and I angled it with my my sneakers. And if you like me, you plus size, you like to be comfortable, honey. You always love to be comfortable. And like I said, I dress how I feel comfortable. And this will be an everyday outfit that I will wear. You know, and this is just a typical outfit that you would wear. Let's say me and my boyfriend, we wanted to go to Coney Island this weekend. You know, you're getting on rides, you're getting on you don't want nothing too dressy, nothing too, you know, tight on you. You want something where you could, you know, squeeze into, you know, walk around, be comfortable, but yet you look cute. And the reason why I love this bag is because it's shoulder length, honey. So you can put it right on your shoulder. You feel me? So, you know, it's kind of slanted because there's nothing in there. But this is my little after Memorial Day outfit. You know, this is something that I would have wore on Memorial Day. Little white sneakers, blue pants, red and white and blue Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I think this is so cute. Like, to me, on a typical day, I would wear my little bangles. I'll wear my little hoops, as I stated before. I have a couple of other accessories, but today was my first video of my fashion diaries, honey. So yeah, this is the outfit. This is the first outfit that I wanted to show you guys. And my background is kind of different because, as you can see, I'm in my living room area. Now, I do apologize because my room is angled funny and I can't put the tripod. I can't put the tripod the way I want to. But yeah, honey, this is all you will wear. And I paired it up also with this nice red, well, this ain't red. This is like pink, blue, and purple, the bra. You feel me? So you would pair that up, wear a little t-shirt. Show me how you like it. How you like it from the front? How you like it? But yeah, you know, that's the little outfit of the day, you know? Little red, white, and blue. After Memorial Day antics, you know? Like I said, I'm a plus size beauty. I like to be comfortable. You understand? To me, being comfortable is the most important thing. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It was long. It wasn't long. It was something just to show you guys, you know. And you know, I kind of know the red is off, but hey, you can make it work. You feel me? You could definitely make it work. So if you're looking for a cute, comfortable outfit, you go to Rainbows, honey. You get you some nice, stretchy blue leggings. Get you a little, this Tommy Hilfiger shirt roughly cost me $15 at Burlington. And I noticed a lot of Tommy Hilfiger items, they cost really cheap at Burlington. And I usually get my Tommy Hilfiger from Macy's, if believe it or not, because they sell a lot of plus. So for this Tommy Hilfiger shirt was pretty. And I know right here you guys can kind of see like this, that's my bra. If you can see the flowers right there, that's my bra under the white. So this is a cute Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Like I said, $15.99 shirt, $7.99 leggings, little $10 shoes, you know, $10 shoes, $10 feet, and you know, that's how we gonna do it, honey. Hey, 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 hey. And you know, that was it, y'all. So I hope you guys like the first outfit of my fashion diaries. Comfortable, yet cute at the same time, you know. On a typical day, I would not wear this wig. I would either wear my natural hair or I'll probably wear my other girl, which is curly. But right now, she in the bathroom, dripping dry. You know, she's wet and wavy, so I gotta get her ready for the next day. So yeah, so you know, that was the outfit. And that was it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.